Hi, today we are going to talk about the solar system and Earth. The solar system that we live in consists of a medium-sized star, which is the Sun, with 8 planets orbiting it. Planets are the work of threshold 4, which is when new stars are forming, there are huge clouds of chemically rich matter surround them. These clouds created Goldilocks condition for elements to combine and eventually form an entire planet. Sun and any other stars were formed from the collapse of a cloud of matter. About 99.9% of all material went into the Sun and only 0.1% leftovers from the entire solar system. The birth of the Sun was 5 billion years ago, and the process of accretion is over 100 million years. In each orbit, there is a rocky planet form when material gather together and eventually form planets. Next, we are going to talk about our Earth. Earth were formed about 4.5 billion years ago, and the most common elements in our Earth crust are oxygen, silicon, aluminum, and iron. Our Earth is more complex planet than other stars. They have more internal structure and are more complex chemically. The condition on Earth is very stable. It's not too hot or too cold, not too big or too little, not too near the sun or too far away. It's just right for life to flourish. The moon has significant impact on Earth. The moon creates Earth's seasonal variations, and moon's gravity causes the ocean tides. The 4 layers in Earth are the core, mantle, crust, and atmosphere. Earth has ample history. Earth went through many different eons. It was super hot at the beginning, and it went through ice age. And finally, 542 million years ago, planets grow and animals proliferate, and living things exist. Thank you. Don't forget to watch the video on Khan Academy. Thank you.